Ever wondered how a secret club keeps its rules and records safe? Today, we're cracking open the mystery of nodes within a private Ethereum blockchain. The unsung heroes that keep everything running smoothly. Think of a private Ethereum blockchain as a digital ledger only accessible to authorized members, unlike the public Ethereum network which anyone can join. Nodes are the gatekeepers and record keepers of this club. Their primary role is to validate transactions when a transaction occurs. Like transferring digital tokens, nodes verify that it's legitimate, preventing fraud and ensuring only valid transactions get added to the blockchain. Maintaining the blockchain state is another crucial job. Every node holds a copy of the blockchain, ensuring that the record of transactions is distributed and tamper-proof. But simply having a copy isn't enough. The nodes must agree on the order of these transactions, which is achieved through a consensus mechanism. This agreement ensures that all nodes have the same, correct version of the blockchain. Setting up a node in a private Ethereum network involves configuring its settings, such as network ID and consensus algorithm. This setup defines how the node interacts with the network and participates in the consensus process. Nodes in a private network are permissioned, meaning they require authorization to join, adding an extra layer of security and control. In short, nodes are vital for securing and operating a private Ethereum blockchain. They validate transactions, maintain the integrity of the blockchain, and ensure network consensus, making them the foundation of a trustworthy and permissioned environment. Now you know how nodes are the backbone of a private Ethereum blockchain.